Year 4, hope you're having a good week. This week in English, we are going to be writing our own poems inspired by Michael Rosen's. But instead of writing a don't poem, we are going to be writing a do poem. So we're going to write all things that you should do. So before we begin, we're going to be practicing some rhyming pairs. So then you're going to have a really good bank of rhyming words that you can use when you come to write your poem. So for example, if we had the word cat, I'm just going to brainstorm some ideas. If we had the word cat, put that in a bubble. What words would rhyme with cat? So it could be mat, it could be flat, it could be splat, or could be rat. So those are a few words that all match. And then I'm going to use my favourite word to match to cat. So I've got cat, and then I think what word is my favourite would be mat. So then I've got a rhyming pair. So I'm going to write next to it cat and mat. And then I'm going to use another word. So we could use the word maybe shoe. And I could rhyme things like, I could have flu. You notice it's a different spelling. So even though it's a different spelling, it's still the same sound. So for cat, it was all the at sounds, but for shoe it might be a few different spellings. Then we've got, what other words rhyme with shoe? We've got blue. Oh, this is an interesting one. So we've got the colour blue, but we could also do the spelling blue like this, as in I blew something away. And then we could do guru. And then we could do glue. Oh, and we could also do through. So through, like I threw a ball, but also I looked through the glass. So can you see it's different spellings, but if we sound out the word, it's still the same sound, so it means it rhymes. So shoe and blue, shoe and through. Even though it's not the same spelling, still rhymes because it's the same sound. So now I'm going to do the exact same, and I'm going to pick my favourite word to make my rhyming pair. So I've got the word shoe, and I think my favourite word has to be blue. So that's my pair. I've got shoe and I've got blue. So I've now got two lots of rhyming pairs. And when I then come to write my poem, it's going to be really easy for me to have a look and think, oh, what words rhyme together? And then it's really easy to pick them out. So I could do things like, you need to put the cat on the mat, or you need to wear the colour blue on your shoe, things like that. Okay, so have a go at picking out a few different words, and then just brainstorm some ideas of what rhymes with what. Let us know how you get on, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email.